Oh, what was that? You know what time it is? Car spotting is finally back. We are back at the same location. Um, Traffic was so bad, which is surprising for a Wednesday that the traffic is this bad. It was bumper to bumper for like miles on Transit Road, and even here, you could you can see how bad the traffic is. So I already hear some cars. So yeah. Hope this is a long anticipated car spotting video. Hope you enjoy. MR2 somewhere. There it is. MR2. Oh, there's our first few cars. Whoa, a C1 Corvette and a old Chevy truck. What the heck is that person doing? Finally, traffic is moving. Oh, another group of cars. Ooh. Ooh. Not bad. Ooh. Where's the exhaust pipe? Ooh. Oh. What was that? That was definitely not from the charger. I don't know what. What? Good Lord. That's Mercedes A45 AMG, I think. Yeah. A Ford Shelby Raptor. Think? No, it's What is this? Ooh, old Porsche. I've never seen this one before. Ooh, my favorite generation of Porsche 911s. Always love those 870s. It looks so nice. Hold on, the camera's all dirty. There we go. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this first time car spotting video in months. If you did, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.